Today, we're going to cover one of my favorite wide-angle lenses, the Sony ZEISS 16-35mm f4 OSS lens. If you guys do not already know, I'm a totally alpha shooter, mainly using my A7 II for my photography assignments. I needed a wide-angle lens as the 28-70 kit lens that comes with my Sony is just too narrow to capture landscape or setups that my project requires. This Sony lens has a focal range of 16mm to 35mm and the widest aperture of f4. Weighing at 518 grams, it's very well built with its metallic casing and has a nice finish to it. Having owned many lenses myself, even the L series lenses from Canon, I can say that this one is definitely a masterpiece of a lens in terms of looks. The lens features a ZEISS T anti-reflective coating which helps to minimize reflections in order to provide greater image clarity, contrast and color. Okay, enough talk. Here are some of the photos that I've taken with this lens for the past 1 year. As you can see, even though there are quite a lot of distortion when you shoot it at 16mm, Lightroom's lens correction setting does help to make the photos look presentable and pleasant to the eye. Costing it at 1,300 USD, it doesn't constitute as being a cheap lens, but I'm sure you'll get your money's worth of it, just like I had. All in all, I'll give this lens a rating of 8.5 over 10 and would definitely recommend to those who need a wide and yet versatile lens for street photography. I hope you like this review. Do give me a thumbs up if you like this video and put down in the comments below what do you think are other good wide-angle lenses. Have a great week and I'll see you in the next video.